There's Xceissz looking for Birdie Birdie. Look for Birdie Birdie. You see the birds flying by? See Birdie Birdie? She's way up on the snow hill. Right close to the garage. With a big... Oh, there she goes. Oh, now she's going over there. Looking for the birds. Go get the birds! Get the bird, buddy! Go get them! Over there! Look! Oh, now she's going closer to the garage. She hears the birds, but can't find a way to get to them. Okay, Xceissz, come on. Come on, let's go. Maybe that was the hill she was on, and that was the tree she was at. Trying to chase after the birds. See? Xceissz? Missy? Come on, girls, let's go. Up, 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 up. Oops, we missed one. Missy. Oh my